Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hi, hello, bonjour, ciao, salam, and namaste to all of you. Welcome to my channel, Brain Buzz with Preeti. And as the name suggests, I'm Preeti. So this is my very first video and my brand new YouTube channel. So before I ask you to subscribe and hit that bell icon, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself and share what this space is all about. So a little bit about me. I'm pursuing PhD from Jamia Millia Islamia in management, and I have qualified UGC NET examination as well, which is basically a qualifying exam for assistant professor. Although this qualification is no longer mandatory, but it gives me an edge and a deeper understanding of the academic and academic. So I'm sharing this with you because I want to build your trust and show you that I am committed to provide credible and valuable insights. So what you can expect from me through this channel is different series of videos where I will be explaining you the concepts in the field of management like human resources management, organizational behavior, labor welfare, marketing. Note that all my videos will be in English. Okay, a mixture of English and Hindi. So additionally, I will also provide you with different tips on how to write the answer. Now, trust me that those students who tell you pages binding होते हैं and हमसे नहीं करे जाते हैं, हम तो गाने लिखकर आ जाते हैं examination answer sheets में. In between the answer we write songs. Please don't do that. Yes, you do have to fill your sheets, but with valuable answers. Okay, answers that are that give provide insights to the teacher that you have understood the concept. It is an essay type examination. So I will make a video on the pages कैसे भरने होते हैं answer sheet. Okay, so you can wait for that video and subscribe because of that. If you want to, that you'll get notified about. Well, now on a serious note, I will also provide different examples or cases which can be used in interrelated subjects. Now, see, there was a case study I studied. I read Tata's HR practices. I used that in that particular case study. They talked about treasury facilities. I used that case study in two different subjects: HRM, CSR. I guess I used it in managing international business as well. So you can actually there are certain examples, certain case studies which can be used in interrelated subjects. So I will be telling you certain of those certain case studies like those. I will also provide you with interview tips here and there. You can check out my LinkedIn handle for that. I have a 30-day HR prep series where I provide interview tips to students, especially to freshers, how they can ace their interviews, basically the HR now. So I will mention the LinkedIn handle in the description box or the comment section. I'm not sure because I'm still figuring out how I'm going to upload this video. So whether you are in 11th, you are in 12th, you are a graduate pursuing post graduation, or you are thinking of restarting your career in management and you want to specifically human resources management, and you want to understand the concepts of how it works and what it entails. So this channel is for you. One last thing, and it's a request. So request, okay? So please be respectful towards everyone in the comment section. Do not start petty fights in the comment section or anything. Please don't troll me. Please don't troll me. We're teachers. We can make mistakes. If I make mistake, you can point it out, but please don't troll me. Okay. So, well, be respectful. Create a fun, interactive learning environment, positive learning environment for everyone. So this is my motive, basically, to impart my knowledge to students who are not able to understand the concepts and not able to afford those big books. I will be using those big books. So I will use those big books to make notes for you. So this is it about me and my channel. Yeah. Thank you for this. Bye.